What is up guys, this is Dwayne Cycles, and for today's video we will be making a bike check video for the all-new Toseek road bike, endurance road bike. This is the all-new Toseek Granfondo V25. The frame set is made from an aluminum alloy material, and yung kanyang available size is size 47 centimeters. This frame has smooth weldings and it has a unique design kasi triple triangle yung design ng kanyang frame. The frame also has many bolts, meron sa top tube, sa down tube, and sa kanyang C-tube. The fork is also made from an aluminum alloy material, and kung makita nyo, ang ganda nung pagka-bladed ng fork nito. Smooth welding and medyo chunky yung itsura. For the cockpit set, it comes with a aluminum alloy handlebar, and the handlebar comes with a branded bar tape. So branded na siya, and yung brand is Sear. The stem of this bike is made from aluminum alloy, and its headset is branded with Feng Tai. This bike comes with a Sensa road shifters. The model is PHI or Phi. So I think this is a new model from Sensa. And this is a 2x10 speed shifters. Here in the back we have this aluminum alloy seat post, and it comes with a bolt type na seat clamp. Sa kanya namang saddle, it comes with a stock Toseek saddle. Onto the drivetrain, it comes with a Toseek branded aluminum crankset, and it is square type. Sa kanya namang FT, it comes with a Sensa PHI or Phi. Same with the shifters. The ERD is also from Sensa. It is also the Sensa Phi. Just like what I've said earlier, this is a 2x10 setup. The crank has a combination of 50 teeth and 34 teeth, while the cassette has a range of 11 teeth to 32 teeth. This bike comes with an aluminum alloy rims, and it is already double walled. This bike comes with tan wall tires, and the size of it is 700C by 28C. The hubs has a brand of Shengfu, and it is already aluminum alloy, and it has 24 holes. Lastly, the braking system. This bike comes with disc brakes. The SRP of this bike is 13,600 pesos, but in this bike shop you can get this with a discounted price of 12,800 pesos. And that is all for this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button for you to be updated every time I post a new video. And hanggang dito na lang, and hanggang sa muli. Bye bye.